Hello everyone and welcome back to AW Programming and Lectures. In today's lecture, we will start with alphabet problems. So this will be a required output. Now let's discuss the solution to print the required output, that is ABCD, ABCD, ABCD. So as you guys know, uh, as we have done in star problems or pattern problems, we'll make use of two nested loops. So that's why I've declared two variables. And one more thing is that this can be done by two ways. So let's try the first method by using the sky values. So let me just write int I and j, and let's just continue with our program. So let's just declare my loop. So I'll write for I is equal to 65. Since the sky value for capital A is 65, so I'll write 65, and then I'll write to be I my less than 70, or and then similarly I plus plus, and then I'll just write my another loop which will be j, where j is equal to 65, and then j to be less than 70, and then increment j. Now what will I do is I'll just write printf, and in this printf we used to do write like this %d, and then we used to do, you can say, j to print a required output, and then I wrote printf, and then this printf we wrote /n for printing into the next line. So after running this, you guys can see it gives us the required output 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Okay, so what I can do is I can convert this int variable to the character. So I'll write a variable char or z, and in this nested loop, what will I do is I'll just write z equals to char, and in this char I'll pass the variable j. So instead of printing j over here, I'll just print z. And one more thing you have to take care is the %d. Since %d is used for printing integer type variables, %c will be used for printing the character type variables. So now let's run it and see the output. So yes, as you guys can see, it gives us ABCDE. So I can decrease the size by writing a 69 over here. So now let's run it and see the required output. So yes, we've got the required output. Now let's move to the another method. Now let's discuss second method. So for the second method, let's make some changes in our previous code. So we'll declare our character type variables y and z, and we'll make changes in our loops. So I'll just delete them, and this will be our required code. So we'll just simply write to be y equal to, we'll write, since y is a character, so we'll write y to be a character. So let's write capital A, and then I'll write y to be less than e, and then I'll just write in y plus plus. Similarly, I'll write z to be capital A, and then z to be less than capital E, and then I'll write z plus plus. So now our program should work fine. So now let's run it and see the required output. So as you guys can see, it gives us the required output. So thank you everyone for watching my video, and if you guys like my channel, please like, subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.